Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix SourceTree not opening problem. Let's fix it guys. First solution that has worked for me and many other peoples. After trying this solution, your problem will be resolved guys. As well as let's jump straight into it guys. For that you just need to go to File Explorer, select this PC and select local disk C. Windows icon over here, you just need to double click on it and double click on the users and select your user account name in here. And if you find anything named as app data, if you can't find it, you just need to select the view tab over here, select view tab and select show and select hidden items. And app data is came over here, hidden files. Double click on it, double click on the local. Now double click on the Atlassian folder guys. Now you just want to delete everything here except source tree guys. Just need to delete everything over here under the source tree. Delete it, leave the source tree guys. After finishing this process, close out of here. Now open the source tree guys and you can complete the registration process and check your problem resolved or not. If this solution does not work for you guys, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to uninstall and reinstall SourceTree guys. That can able to resolve the problem. For that, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select view by to category, select uninstall a program and right click on the SourceTree and uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, go to Google Chrome and search for SourceTree application, SourceTree download, search for it and you just want to download it and install it guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve the problem guys. Click on the downloads for Windows and after getting download done, go ahead and install it guys. Hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.